The sibling rivalry is on. The Binay siblings are banding together for the mayoral bid of their brother Junjun, who is up against his older sister, Makati Mayor Abby Binay. Junjun Binay is flanked by two of his sisters at his proclamation rally. His older sister and re-electionist Senator Nancy Binay and the younger Ann Binay. The sibling speeches are ripe with jabs against re-electionist Mayor Abby Binay, with whom the relationship has soured since Junjun challenged her for the mayoral post.
Ay tama po, mas maganda ako doon, mas mabait ako at hindi po ako maldita. Pero bago po yon, nandito po ako para sa tatay po namin. Huwag niyo na po siyang hanapin. Andito naman ho kaming magkakapatid.
Nancy also makes a glowing recommendation for Junjun.
Siya ho yung mayor na hindi nyo maiilang nalapitan at hingan ng tulong. Mga mahal kong taga Makati, ang aking kapatid na katulad nyo, karamay nyo, ang magbabalik na mayor ng Makati, Mayor Junjun Binay.
Their father, former Vice President turned Makati Congressional Bet Jejomar Binay, had allowed Abby and Junjun to fight for mayor, but only if they don't throw mud at each other. He later chooses to campaign with Abby. Junjun is not bearing any grudges and even carries his father as his congressional bet. Junjun promises to bring back the true Binay brand of service in Makati and to unite the City Hall officials who are now supposedly fighting under Abby's leadership.
Kasi habang tumatagal, nagkakawatak-watak ang mga opisyales ng ating City Hall. Nagkaroon ng kampihan at nawala ang pagkakaisa. Ito ang pangalawang dahilan ng aming pagbabalik. Upang ibalik ang pagkakaisa sa ating lungsod.
Junjun and Nancy say they are willing to make amends with Abby. But Abby believes the fissure caused by her rivalry with Junjun had run so deep that the family feud would go on even after the May 13 elections. For the first time, the Binays of Makati are enemies in their own bailiwick. Will Junjun succeed in convincing Makati that he is the better Binay? Mara Cepeda, Rappler, Makati City.